Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to bring back the status vertical style in WhatsApp latest update. So let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. To bring back the vertical style, all you need to do is unfollow all the channels you follow. Now just go to the channel you follow, click on it. Click on the three dots on the top right corner and unfollow the channel. Do same with all the channels you follow. After you unfollow all the channels, it will change into the vertical style. As you can see, my account is private and I don't have many friends, so I can't show you my updates. But if you have your official account and if you follow any channels and it is in vertical style, then if you unfollow all of them, then you can get your horizontal style back. And if you follow them again, then it will change into vertical style again. That is it. In short, don't follow any channel to keep your updates vertical. If you found this video helpful, please like our channel and subscribe it. Thank you so much for watching.